What if I told you that you could turn $100 into $10,000 in just 30 days? No gimmicks, no scams, just a step-by-step strategy that anyone can follow. But here's the catch. It's not easy, and it's not for the faint of heart. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, the wins, the losses, and the lessons I learned along the way. By the end, you'll have a blueprint to potentially grow your own wealth. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. What would you do with an extra $10,000? Pay off debt, invest in your future, or maybe finally take that dream vacation? Stick around because this could change everything. Now before you start thinking this is some get-rich-quick scheme, let me stop you right there. If you're looking for a magic button to print money, I suggest you go play Monopoly. This is real life, and real life takes work. But if you're ready to put in the effort, let's get started. Alright, here's the plan. I started with $100 in 30 days to turn it into $10,000. To make this happen, I broke it down into 4 phases: research, execution, adaptation, and scaling. Let's dive into each one. First, I spent 3 days researching high-potential opportunities. I looked into crypto, penny stocks, flipping items online, and even side hustles like freelance work. But here's the thing. Not all of these are created equal. For example, crypto can be super volatile, and penny stocks, well, let's just say they're not for the faint of heart. So I decided to diversify, putting some money into low-risk options and some into higher-risk, high-reward plays. Now you might be wondering, why not just go all in on one thing? Great question. And the answer is simple, because I'm not a gambler, I'm an investor, and the key to smart investing is managing risk. With my plan in place, I got to work. I allocated $50 into crypto, $30 into flipping items online, and $20 into a side hustle. The first week was rough. My crypto investment dropped 20%, and the items I flipped barely made a profit. But here's where most people give up. Not me. I doubled down on my research, adjusted my strategy, and kept going. And then, something unexpected happened. One of my investments started to skyrocket. But I'll tell you more about that in a minute. First, let's talk about Phase 3 adaptation. By day 15, I realized I needed to pivot. My initial strategy wasn't working as well as I'd hoped, so I reallocated my funds. I pulled out of underperforming investments and doubled down on what was working. This is a crucial lesson. In investing, flexibility is key. You have to be willing to adapt when the market changes. Think of it like dating. If your first date is a disaster, you don't keep going on the same date, right? You switch it up. Same goes for investing. By day 20, I started to see real progress. My crypto investment had tripled, and my side hustle was bringing in consistent income. But here's the thing, I didn't stop there. I reinvested every dollar I earned, compounding my returns. This is where the magic happens. It's not about making one big win. It's about stacking small wins over and over again. And then, on day 30, I hit my goal. But how? And what did I learn along the way? Let's break it down. After 30 days of hard work, late nights, and a few heart-stopping moments, I did it. I turned $100 into $10,000. But here's the truth. It wasn't just about the money. It was about proving to myself, and to you, that with the right strategy, discipline, and mindset, anything is possible. Here are the key takeaways. First, start small, but think big. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Second, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Third, be adaptable. The market changes, and so should you. And finally, reinvest your profits. Compounding is your best friend. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the first step you're going to take to grow your wealth? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on investing, finance, and building wealth. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. And if I can turn $100 into $10,000, imagine what you can do with the right knowledge and mindset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. In my next video, I'll show you how to avoid the top 5 investing mistakes that could cost you thousands. Don't miss it. Please like, subscribe, and comment.